December of 2018, I was in a car accident, hit from the side, and not knowing how severe the car accident was, the police let me go home with my parents. When I got home, they realized I had no memory of any part of what happened, and he took me to the emergency room. There was no brain bleed, so they let me go home. I have no memory of that evening, no memory of the next day, and it continued on. Immediately after the car accident, there were light and sound issues. I could barely function. I had to slow down my job. I had to slow down my lifestyle. Putting one foot in front of the other was difficult at times, trying to get processed. I'm driving past places that I need to be, and I'm like miles down the road. I'm fully aware of what I'm doing, but I have no memory of what I need to do. I went to a physical therapist, and she told me that I should go to the Mind Eye Institute, and I thought, okay, well, that'll be down the line. I went to the physical therapist again, and she told me the same thing. So I made an appointment with the Mind Eye, and I had my first appointment with Dr. Zielinski, very detailed, very intricately looking at my brain, what was working, what wasn't working. Losing my memory or not having any memory of things, I would absolutely panic and I would start to cry. It would get way too much for me to handle. When, after maybe like the third set of glasses, I was noticing they weren't as long, they weren't as frequent. It got to be maybe 2 a week after this point, and now it's minimal. I began to notice a greater improvement about the third set of lenses when I could turn the radio on in the car, or when I could listen to a song and let the song go through the whole way without having to lower it or turn it down, or have a television on that wasn't loud. On my road to recovery, I'm pretty much, I'd say close to 70% back to what I was able to do before. Since then, I've had several set of lenses put in my eyeglasses through the Mind Eye Institute, and each time it's a detailed appointment, and each time they change some things because the brain has been working better. Now I know I have more memory, I have more concentration, and I'm on the road to recovery.